Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to move Google Sheets file into holder. So let's start it. At first, open your Google Sheets file. In this video, I will show that move Google Sheets file. Now going to the move tool option. Now for click. Then click for the any holder. Now click for the move option. That is. Now click for the dismiss option. Then we show that. Then we can see is the move file folder. Now click for the open. Then click for the separate sheet. Now click for open. That is. Then we show move Google Sheets file into holder is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.